Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy General 315, man, back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. Today, man, we got a special shoe for y'all to review today. We got these from our friend Lisa. She sent these over for the review. And man, I really don't need to introduce the shoe. Y'all know it's the Flu Games, the iconic shoe, the Pippen carry me off the court shoe. So dope, so many iconic moments for these joints. And I'm just so glad that Lisa went ahead and sent these over for the review. Just to let y'all know, this is a UA shoe, it's not the retail. But I kind of been waiting for them to kind of make this colorway just so I can get one in hand and see what the quality's like. I haven't had this shoe in years, literal years. And I don't know, I don't even know what happened to them, to be honest with y'all. I have no idea. I must have given them away or something like that. But anyway, before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys follow me on that IG, and then make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on that TikTok as well. I will put resale prices on the screen because the retail, I think for this shoe was like $160 or something like that when it came out. It might have been less than that, I can't remember. But if you want to get it from StockX and GOAT, you're gonna pay a pretty penny for them, especially in this type of condition. This is brand new, okay? There was only a couple little flaws on them, but I ended up taking those ink lines off. There was just a couple ink lines, and that was it. But other than that, the shoe is golden. And I almost was tempted to just leave the ink lines on there, but I kind of wanted to record a little small video showing you guys how to take them off. And I did, you know what I'm saying? So there is that. So let's jump into the shoe. There's not really much to go over with the shoe, except, you know, showing you the shoe in its entirety. You know what I'm saying? So you got the black upper, you got the red on the mud guards, and then you got the red outsole. Pretty dope. Eyelets are black laces, black tongue. Got our 2-3 in there. Very nice. Jumpman looks to be stitched very well. On the heel of the shoe, we got our Jordan. That's super dope. This shoe is just clean. You know what I mean? This is just such a clean shoe. And there's no way, you just can't beat it. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is just one of those classic, iconic colorways that's just timeless. You know what I'm saying? Outsole, we got black. And then you do have the carbon fiber in there, so I can see it. It just looks a little, I don't know, it looks kind of strange. I don't know why it looks like that, but it is carbon fiber. There you guys go. You guys can see the carbon fiber right there. There is carbon fiber in there. I don't know why it has that weird, like, streaky pattern on it, but it does. But I mean, that's the bottom of the shoe, and it's gonna get dirty anyway, so who really cares, right? And then we got our 2-3. We got our Jumpman right there. So very nice. I guess what I could say about the shoe is that the leather, I was very surprised with the leather. It's not really super stiff leather, but it's not crazy soft either. But I do like that texture. It has very nice texture to the leather. Very nice. And I do like the red portion of the shoe. This red leather is very nice. A little soft, but definitely good. And I can feel all those scales. A lot of UAs, these scales are not defined, and in this shoe, it really is. These are very defined, and it looks very nice. Only a couple stitching lines, which was here along the edge, and as you can see, I kind of got the stitching lines off. Under the black light, I got them off, and what you do after you get them off, you just get a little bit of oil, and you put a little oil on there, let it absorb into the leather, and then apply it again until that shine comes back, because you're going to take that top layer off of the gloss when you get that off. So once you get those lines off, put a little oil on there, let it absorb, do it again, let it absorb. It'll come back to this nice little shiny piece right here. But right now you can see where I kind of treated it right there. Standard shoe tree comes with these. We have our sizing tag on the back right there. So not too bad. Looks like 11/25/15 to 4/8/2016. So that seems to be when the shoe had last released. Okay, insole, pretty dope, you know what I'm saying? Very standard, but there's the insole right there. Okay, so not too bad. I'm very satisfied with these. I'm glad I got them. You know, they're back in the collection again, and it's hard to kind of get a Jordan 12 bred of this caliber when they don't really make them anymore. You know what I'm saying? So whenever they come out with these, whether it be UA or whatever, you gotta grab a pair. Like, you just have to grab a pair. You know what I'm saying? It's just only right, because if you don't get it, who knows when they're gonna release it again. But very nice. I'm impressed with the craftsmanship. I think this is a very good pair. And I might double up, y'all. I might just have to double up. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I mean, it's the bread 12. I mean, what you gonna do? This is the flu game. This is a 10. I don't think I need to even say that it's anything else but a 10. Construction and materials used, this leather is just pristine. I really love it. I have to go with a 10, y'all. It's just a 10 all around. Like, Lisa doesn't play around with these kicks. So I know Trader Joe's is good, but Lisa's another plug for y'all, as well as Kick Who. Y'all can go to any one of those three and they got your back. So that's my rating for the shoe. I hope this review was informative for you guys. Let's jump into this on foot. I can't wait to get these joints on, y'all. I can't wait. Y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your man General, man. I'm here. Just wanted to bring this one to y'all real quick, just a quick discussion. These are the breads from Lisa. Lisa went ahead and sent these joints over, and they look super clean. I'm just showing y'all. There's options out here, you know what I mean? There's options out here. You can still get your kicks. You can still get your kicks. And look at that carbon fiber down in there. Very, very nice, man. I'm glad Lisa went ahead and sent these over for the review. Super dope. Hit Lisa up. She got this batch. Listen, man, whenever y'all see batches like this, something rare that's really not in production, you gotta grab it, especially if it's this quality. Get that joint, because you never know. Double up if you can. I'm not telling you what to do, but make sure you double up if you can. You never know when you're gonna be able to get another one. Y'all, so on foot is down of the Jordan 12 flu games. It's still a little brisk out here. It's still a little cold. I got another shoe to do, but we're gonna talk about something real quick. So in my paper, I'm gonna be doing non-communicable diseases, right? That's what we talked about in the other video. So for school, I chose that as a topic because I knew I was gonna have a lot to talk about. So one thing that I never really realized about these diseases is the 4 main types, which would be cardiovascular disease, respiratory disease, diabetes, and cancers. I never realized that all of those diseases account for about 80% of the world population deaths. That's crazy. 80% of people that die in the world die from those 4 types of diseases. That's mad crazy. We're gonna be diving in a little bit more, but just keep that in mind. Like, that's mad crazy. I never really realized how high of a percentage that was. So we're gonna keep researching. We're gonna see what else we can find out, all right? Y'all stay up.